Hey, come here. Hey, listen, check this out. The secret's out right now. A lot of people are raving about this new app called Deuce or Dosh, however you want to pronounce it, D-O-S-H, and it's all on social media. It's blowing up. So I'm not sure if you've seen it already on Facebook, YouTube, or some other kind of social media, but I'm sure you want more information about it. So basically, the way it works is you download it, you share it with friends, and you earn 15 bucks just for sharing it with that person whenever they attach their debit card to it. How cool would that be? And what if I told you it's free? You don't have to buy anything to make the money. That's a bigger plus. And right now it's the holiday season. A lot of people are looking for ways to make extra income outside their regular job, or supplement it in whatever way that they may have in mind. But the point is, Deuce is a legitimate app and they're paying right now. So check out the next slide after this video. I'm gonna show you more information on what it's about, how to get started with it, and the ins and outs, so on and so forth. And you have all the information that you need to make a decision on whether you want to get on board with this or not. All right, so I'm gonna catch you on the next slide. All right, let's get right on into this. So today is the 26th of December. Christmas just passed. Happy holidays, everyone. This is what Dosh looks like. When you pull it up, here's my account right here. This is me, Arthur Cunningham. I'm gonna be the one that's gonna help you make this bread. And right now, this is what it looks like. So Dosh is basically an app that pays you each time you go to a retailer and make a purchase. You get cash back. Say for example, when you attach your debit card to Dosh and you go to any of these places that you see in your local area, you'll get cash back. So when you make a purchase, it's gonna get deposited. That cash back amount is gonna get deposited right into your Dosh account. Or, like I said earlier, most people, they rather just refer or share with friends and family, and then they earn their money that way. That way, it usually takes 2 days at the most, because the system is kind of slow, but you will get it. So just be patient. And that's how this works. If I click right here, it's gonna show me a detailed map. Let me see. See, that's me right there. And these are some of the places where I can get cash back at, where these little hashtags are, I guess. If I go there and shop, I would get cash back, and that would get deposited into my Dosh account. So like I said, this is a free way to go about making extra income, no obligations. You don't have to worry about your information getting hacked or anything like that. It's safe, it's secure. That's my balance right now. I got some more coming on later on, because I got some people that just signed up today. So that's gonna change. And like I said, that's what Dosh is about. It's simple. You can have an Android, iPhone, doesn't matter. Simple to do. And that's really it. That's the gist of Dosh. So what you want to do is you want to get my referral link. It's going to be somewhere around this video. Get started with it. Don't delay, because the deadline is December 31st, I want to say. That's when the $15 share referral is going to get cut off. So take advantage today. You don't have nothing to lose, no obligations. All right, so you saw all the information that you need to see. I pulled the curtains back. You shouldn't have any questions right now. And the only thing that you really need to do right now is, click the link below this video right now. Just go ahead and join. Listen, you got it to December 31st to take advantage of this opportunity to get the $15 for each person that you share it with. You don't have long. So listen, I know you got a lot of family members or friends, in your phone book. You got hundreds, if not thousands of people that you connected with on Facebook. You just share, with each person, and they don't have to spend any money. So just let the numbers add up for you. Come on, you don't have nothing else to lose. So, oh yeah, one thing that I didn't cover earlier is that Deuce, they pay you through PayPal. So once you gotta have a PayPal account. Once you attach your debit card and you meet all the qualifications, and then you earn your money, you transfer it through PayPal. And that's how you get your money. So take advantage of it. I'm about to get ready to run off. I gotta go meet up with some friends, gotta go handle some business, and enjoy the rest of our evening. And Be sure to like this video, subscribe to it. Listen, if you already are doing Deuce and you made some money with this, drop a comment below, man. Let me know. Well, you gotta tell me exactly how much, but you know, just tell me, you know, if you having success with it or not. You ain't gotta leave no number, but you know, just to, you know, share this with you people. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are enjoying this. You know, just leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, and check out my Facebook link somewhere around this video also. So that's pretty much it, man. You got to December 31st. Don't wait around. Man, I should have took advantage when you told me to. You save all that. All right, that's it, man. Catch y'all later.